Welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Sean Wilkins, and I am a network engineer, author, and technical editor at InfoDispersion. I'm excited to welcome you to my course, Security for Cloud Plus. This course is one of many courses that are being introduced into the Pluralsight library to cover the new Cloud Plus objectives. This course is specifically targeted on the subjects covered under the security objective. In investigating cloud security configurations and compliance control, we look at different cloud security configuration topics, including security policy, encryption technologies, key and certificate management, and tunneling protocols. In analyzing cloud security technologies and access control, we look at the different security technologies that are used to secure a cloud solution, including access control models, object authorization, data classification, as well as segmentation and microsegmentation. And finally, in reviewing cloud automation techniques, we take a look at the different techniques that can be used to automate the various tasks in the cloud, including associated tools and services. By the end of this course, you'll have a good base of knowledge to successfully understand the different security concepts and technologies that are commonly seen implemented on cloud and virtualization-based solutions. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the cloud with the Security for Cloud Plus course at Pluralsight.